Hello everyone and welcome to NG Platinum Luxury, and today we're going to talk about Paris Design District and owner Deborah Hess in Paris. So I want to talk a little bit about my experience. I had the wonderful time of spending 2 days with her, and first in her showroom. She has a very nice, quaint showroom in the middle of everything in Paris. Very talented designers that work with her, and her herself is an amazing designer. And I don't think I would be able to grasp quite her talents if I wasn't able to spend the time with her in her own apartment and see. The year before, she completely renovated her entire apartment, and she went through step by step all of the things that she added: her kitchen, bathroom, flooring, even down to the details of the hardware in her home. And you can check that out. I actually have a podcast with her, and you can see that on my YouTube channel, and you can see there all of the beautiful work that she did. Now, the amazing thing about her apartment, and is almost unheard of, is she has a huge backyard garden, which when you step outside there, you can see an amazing view of the Eiffel Tower. And that was just an amazing experience to have there. Deborah is just a very talented designer. And like I said, I would really like to highlight those things. And I really encourage you to go to my podcast and watch that video because you can see her amazing work there. She's also done lots of work with Hotel National, and she does a lot of work in Paris, but she also has done work in the States here. And she's given some good examples of some projects that she's done in New York. So if you by chance would want to stop by her showroom, if you're in Paris, she actually has lots of tables that are very beautiful, couches that she can get for you and ship to the US. Or if you're so inclined and you have an apartment in Paris, she can help you decorate that too. So I highly suggest Deborah Hess with Paris Design District. She's an amazing designer, so check her out. Until next time, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.